Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's OP video update. Now very quickly, I just want to show you Bitcoin right here because if I dive into the 15 minutes time frame for Bitcoin, you can already see that Bitcoin has a bear flag and it's about to actually fall to $23,200. Now that's a big threat because you might be looking forward for OP to make the very same thing, I'm pretty sure that this is a extended bear flag right now for OP as well. So the next technical target you might be looking for is coming from there to there, and yes, we're coming down to 1.372 at the moment, and that's where you're going to actually find the next level of support probably. But you don't want to lose 1.372 completely. If you ever lose 1.372, then that's going to be really bad if you start to close below it. But it can I just want to burst your bubbles that it actually can, because watch the Bitcoin update. Bitcoin can actually go to $19,000 due to a rising wedge. So that's pretty much it for this very quick update on OP. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.